right? Hello everyone, my name is Sifu Mathos. This is my one of junior students, Mr. Indriya Sunil. Today we are going to demonstrate a famous BJJ technique called truck. Actually, truck is a set of submissions and transitions. This can be applied from various positions in various ways. But today I am going to explain you one of the best and easiest way to proceed this. Okay, in an MMA fight or belly to fight or just jujutsu, this is known as turtle position. I maintain his top position here. Now in this situation he stays in his elbows. Here he's a little bit low to the ground. So at this position I give my whole weight on him. Look at my hand positions, especially my leg positions. My leg is 90 degrees to his knee. Look at this. My foot is light. This leg is extended. You should never put your foot like this. This is completely wrong. This is the correct position. And look at my hand position. I put my wing against his spine. This is monkey hand. This is monkey and I grab his thigh and you should never leave your elbow out like this. This is wrong. This should be chicken wing, right? So in belly judo or MMA fight or a street fight, you can use this hand to strike on his. At that position, he tries to stand up. Negative. Right, like this, stand up. So in this position, I see a wide opening between his leg. So now I grab his sleeve here. Another one, I grab his belt and I stand up like this. And I insert my leg over like this across his leg. Still I have given my whole weight against his spine. My elbow blocks his hip. Now actually I have a first submission here. This is called calf crunch, calf slicer, calf crusher, whatever you want to use. By the way, this is a compression block, right? Look at right. If he falls, it is his ending. So sometimes he doesn't fall. He still wants to fight with me. At this position, I grab this leg. This is my leverage point, this leg, and I fall like this. This is known as banana split. I split his leg like this. If you want, you can do the lockdown here and banana split. So sometimes this guy will be very flexible, so he tries to grab me like this. At this position, I move to the twister submission. I break his spinal bone and his neck. So sometimes he tries to flip over my body. So still I have the calf crunch here. Look at this. I grab his toes. My foot should be touch my heel. I grab his toes and I compress here. So this is known as the truck. Right. So this is known as the truck. Especially this is very famous in 10 panel Jiu-Jitsu, 10 panel Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu of Eddie Bravo. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. I will reply them as I can. So I would like to thank one of the juniors and camera, my grand senior Gihan. Okay, let's meet with another video in the near future.